A soul that dares to dream will someday make those dreams come true and introduce a whole new lifestyle. Welcome to the incredible world of Akhtar Furnishers, one of the largest furniture manufacturers in Southeast Asia. Akhtar Industrial Park, encompassing a massive area, is now the manufacturing hub of home, office, hospital and industrial furniture with various production lines. To make the highest quality furniture, Akhtar Furnishers collects its main raw materials, wood, from FSC certified forests around the world. The supplied wood is sawn and sized through fully automated machines in the factory. Modern machinery-equipped wood science and technology-based full-cell pressure wood treatment processes ensures health hazard-free wood preservation for permanent wood treatment. The moisture content of timber is thoroughly maintained through a fully automated PLC controller kiln dryer and steam boiler. To maintain and preserve the highest quality, Akhtar Furnishers are made from strong bonded best quality plywood of high breaking load bearing, which is produced using fully automated machines in Akhtar's very own industry. All this was made possible through KM Akhtaruzzaman's revolutionary vision.
এই ব্যবসাটা 1976 সাল থেকে শুরু করি। প্রথমে আমি যখন ছোট্ট আকারে শুরু করি একটা ফ্যাক্টরি, 3 জন মিস্ত্রি এবং একজন পলিশের লোক দিয়ে। তা আসলে আমার থিমটা ছিল এরকম যে আমি একটা দোকানে নিয়ে বিক্রি করব এবং দোকান থেকে মানুষ কিনে নিয়ে যাবে। সারা বাংলাদেশে এটা বিক্রি হবে।
Akhtar's creative, skilled and experienced design team is deep into innovation to ensure stylistic, trendy and artistic furniture. Since its inception, Akhtar Furnishers has been producing premium quality furniture with the finest raw materials through state-of-the-art technology, which includes fully automated complex wooden engraving furniture design work. Meanwhile, the carpentry department of Akhtar Furnishers consists of devoted and seasoned carpenters who are focused on creating the best furniture in the country. The design work done in the brush section is our signature piece of furniture that exudes elegance. The vast lacquer section of the factory ensures maximum surface finishing of wooden furniture using European lacquer chemicals with automatic spray technology and skilled operators. Our skilled chemical engineering team produces ILD-rated HD premium quality foam maintaining the international standard CFD and resistance properties in a fully automatic foam production process. The upholstery section uses the highest quality foam prepared from our own factory with the addition of fabric or natural leather in the product to bring out the luxurious outlook of Akhtar Furnishers. Akhtar Furnishers received ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System, ISO 14001-2015 Environment Management System, and ISO 45001-2018 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certificates. Another large production unit of Akhtar Furnishers is metal, where all types of home, office, industrial and hospital metal furniture are manufactured from powder-coated metals through state-of-the-art automated machines, especially fiber laser CNC machines, automatic tube banding machines. Akhtar's mild steel furniture utilizes zinc phosphate, which protects the furniture from rust in the long run. Premium grade, comfortable and high longevity mattress are produced under different brand name from Akhtar Industrial Park. After the furniture is manufactured, our staff packages each piece with utmost care. After final testing and monitoring, the packaged products are sent to Akhtar Furnishers showrooms across the country and also to various countries around the world. Our dedicated, skilled and experienced management doesn't manufacture any furniture with only the country in mind, but with the thought of making the country prosperous. by producing the highest quality products and exporting those to various countries around the world. Friendly and accessible sales personnel of Akhtar Furnishers are ready to serve customers in all our outlets. Moreover, our call center employees are always ready to serve the customer for any need of the customer.
1976 থেকে আমরা আমাদের সাকসেসফুলি বাংলাদেশের স্টোরগুলো অপারেট করে আসছি। এখন ইন্টারন্যাশনালি গ্লোবাল মার্কেটেও আমরা আমাদের স্টোর নিয়ে যাচ্ছি। বাংলাদেশের সবচেয়ে সাকসেসফুল ফার্নিচার ব্র্যান্ড হওয়ার সাথে সাথে আমরা প্রাউডলি বলতে পারি উই আর দ্য ফার্স্ট এক্সপোর্টার অফ ফার্নিচার ফ্রম বাংলাদেশ।
Akhtar Furnishers, solid wood, truly prestigious.